have here is this is the number 73 car, Park Place Porsche. And this was Park Place Motorsports entry in 2016, 17, and 18. GTD entry, had a lot of great drivers. Young Matt McMurry, fantastic in the car. Patrick Lindsey, Jörg Bergmeister, Jan Heylen. All these guys spent some time in this car and had great results along the way. The 2016 GT3 R 991.1 type car, just fantastic opportunity to drive a car that has Bosch ABS, traction control, paddle shifters, this amazing presence, right? This is width of the car, and how wide it is. This particular car has a PFC brake package on it, has the killer Recaro seat, the P1300GT seat. It was used in night racing, so it has the Manthey DayGlo kit with the ultraviolet lights inside, set up. This car's here to get prepared for a new owner, currently available for sale. Getting it back into livery of the 2018 GTD season, and it'll be the car number 73. That's what it started life as, and it will be in forever tribute to that as it races hopefully in HSR and other sort of great places. You'll see it soon. It had some good grid starts and finishes, mostly at the hands of best finish with Patrick Lindsey and Jörg Bergmeister. The car was prepared by Gary Beal out of Texas and their team. He was at Park Place at the time. It's got KW shocks. It has just this fantastic sort of sinister livery in the matte black and stripes and such. So it's pretty cool. Looking forward to getting it ready.